You can also add an FAQ or fact section easily inside of your Wix ADI page. To do that, simply click on the plus icon right over here, and then on the left side you have fact as an option, as you can see. So I'm just going to click on that. And there's different layouts that you can choose from. So I'm just going to go around with this one right over here. So once I click on it, what happens is that you can add in your questions and then answers just like that. So over here, you can give the title right over here, FAQ, or you can do it frequently asked questions. You can bold it around, italicize, and so forth. You can add in a header paragraph over here, or you can add in a media over there as well. That is, you can add in videos or pictures right over there to make it look more interesting as well. You can also add in header buttons if you want to view more of facts right over here. So you can go over here and work around with individual questions. For example, you can go over here and let's say, for example, ask something like, what does TutorTube focus on? Just like that. So there's the question right over here, and you can add in the answer over here like TutorTube focuses on general computing and creative software tutorials right over here. So just like that, you got an answer right over here. So you can go over here and add in more questions as well. You can create individual pages from the individual questions as well. So you can add an item right over here just by clicking this, just like that. And there you go, you have more questions for facts, just like that. And to change the design, you simply go on to the section design right over here and then choose different section designs as per your liking right over here, just like that. And you got a different design, as you can see. And you can customize the design color, height, and animation, as you can see right over here as well. So you can go for more of this type of a look right over here where it is bright and so forth as well. And that is how you can work around with the fact section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.